Hello friends. So today we will check one C# coding interview question. Reverse the order of words in a string without using any built-in function. Suppose we are inputting one string like this C# coding interview question. So we need to reverse the order of the words. So it will come, the last is questions, right? So questions will come first. And these words only we need to reverse, and interview that will come next. Coding next is coding, and C# is last. So we need to arrange string like this. Okay, using building function we can easily change this, right? I have already done that coding with using building function. So suppose we are giving this string, my string is equal to C# coding interview question, then we can split this, right? Based on this space we can split that code, right? So we can use here my string dot split, then we will get one character array string array, right? And after that we can reverse that strings. So we will split this, then we will get a C# coding interview questions in this array. Array.Reverse means we will get questions first and interview coding C#, like that we will get, and that we will store in this enumerable of string. This will return enumerable, right? And after that we can join that, so we will get the output. The same like we can give in one line also, string.join. Here we are putting one space, and after that my string mystr.split, and space is there, and dot reverse. Okay, so this is in one line answer, and this is the full process. Okay, so just we can debug that. Okay, so we'll run this. So this is a C# interview question, and here we are splitting this data, right? So we will run this. In this array we will get C# coding interview questions, right? After that we are using this reverse. So here we will get enumerable of string. So we'll go to result view, then see the questions will come first and interview next, coding and C#. So that is reverse now, right? Words is reverse now, right? After that we need to join this with the space. Okay, so we'll run this. We will get exact output, right? And in one line we are using like this only, string.join mystr.split reverse. We will run this, then we will get the output. So this is used like in building functions only, right? So in interview they will ask without using building function. So using building function you can use like this. Okay, so this we can remove now. Now we want to input one string, that is mystr, and after that we are printing the reverse string. So first we need to create one function method for that. First, we need to create one method for that. Okay. So that method will return what string value. Name is reverse order of words. Then we will just pass string str. Okay. So in this case, we need to find out the length, and after that, in the reverse order, we need to check. So wherever the first space will come, then we need to read this string, right? And again, it will check in the backward direction. Wherever the space will come, we need to find out the string up to this, not the end of the string. You need to find out like up to this. So this process, we need two variables. One variable is just for the end position, and the other one is one temp variable. Okay. So first we need to declare int end position. We can tell string dot length -1, right? Same way we can declare one more variable, string int temp position is equal to str dot length -1, right? After that, we need to check this temp position. We check continuously, right? So here we need can use one while loop and position temp position we can check. Okay, the temp position greater than 0. Then every time this temp position need to decrement, right? So we can tell temp position minus in the end of the loop, right? Every time the temp position will decrease. Here, then we need to check space is there. Then we can understand this is the word, right? So here we can check if str of temp position equal to space. Then what we can do? So means it will come here, right? So space is here. Okay. So we need to find out this string from that position to the end of the string, end position. So the here space is included. So that space +1. So here we need to increment one position, and this string we need to find out, right? So here we can just tell, we can give one variable int k is equal to, we can tell this position +1, right? Temp position +1. So we don't want that space, right? So in this case, we can directly use this one, for loop. Okay, instead of declaring like this, for int k is equal to temp position plus 1. Temp position plus 1, and again k less than in position and k plus plus. Then we can declare one more string builder here, string builder sb is equal to new string builder. Then we need to append the data, right? So sb dot append str of k. So after this, we will get this string. After that, it will move backward, right? So next time it will come here in this space. That time we need to check with this position to this position only. So we need to change this end position, right? So here we can type after this end position equal to, we can tell temp position. Okay, now we can just check, return this sp dot to string. We can just check if this is working or not. It will not work completely, but we can check. Control dot right line, we can call this reverse of function, right? MyStr. So we put one breakpoint. Run this. Enter your string. You can tell free coding. So we need to print what we print. We can check. Just we can run. So it is printed coding, but free is not printing, right? Okay. So what will happen? So suppose it will come here, then this will also print, but C sharp will not print, right? Because here no space is there. So we will give this line, full line, the last this coding interview questions, that only will print. We can just run this. We'll give this string and enter. Yes, questions, interview, and coding. That is printing. C sharp is not printing. So we need to give one more loop there. Okay. After this while loop, we need to calculate the string from the starting position to the current end position. Current end position means here. This is starting point and this is the current end position, right? So here we can use one more for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than or equal to end position, then I plus plus, right? Now we can sp dot append str of I. So we will append the remaining string also up to this position. Now we can just check free coding. Now we are getting coding free. Yes. Okay. So coding free coding we are given. So coding free we are getting, but space is not there, right? So in that loop we need to give space also. Okay. So in position here we are getting the full word, right? After that is p dot append, we can give an empty string, one space. Now we can check free coding. Now we are getting coding space free, correct? We can check with this C# interview question also. Copy this and run. Paste that. C# interview question. Continue. Now we are getting questions, interview, coding, and C#. Now our answer is correct, right? So this way we can reverse the order of words without using any built-in function. Okay, thanks guys. Please subscribe.